Hello World. When you start to learn any language, first we create the Hello World application. Now I will show you how to create the Hello World application in Flutter. Let's make it. First create the Flutter project I already created. Remove the default code and first import the material.dart package. Press the enter. Material design is the language developed by the Google. Well, this is library which contain all the material widget that implement the material design. Example, text, text box and button widget. Next, we have to declare the main method. Type void main. Put the round bracket and put the curly bracket. Press the enter. It is the entry point of every application. So whatever we write within method will be executed. Void main method called to separate the function which handle the main functionality. Without the void main method, you cannot write any program on Flutter even without the UI. In void main method, we have to define our run app method. Press the enter. Run app method show whatever we pass on as a parameter. If we are passed the text widget, then run app show text in the application screen. Type the material app. Press the round bracket and press the enter. Material app is a widget that introduces the many interesting tools such as the navigator or a theme to help you develop your application. You should have a material app near the root of your application and then use the widget that introduces a material instance such as the scaffold, app bar. We are using both for our application. In next line, type the title in inverted comma. This title, show it here. My first application. In the fifth line, type the home. In the home widget, type the scaffold widget. Remove the comma and press the round bracket. In the Flutter, scaffold implement the basic material design like the app bar, body, floating action button, drawer and many more. Now we are using the body and app bar. Type the app bar. Again type app bar. Open the round bracket. Title. Text. Open the round bracket and type the text in inverted comma. My sample project. This is the app bar. My sample project. Type the body and type the material widget. Press the round bracket and press the enter. Body is the another primary and the minimum required property of the scaffold, which signify the area below the app bar and the behind the floating action button and the drawer. Type the color. Again type the color. I select the color white. White color show in the background. You can see it background is white. Press the enter. Then type the child type the center. Remove the comma and press the enter. Again type the child. Type the text. Remove the comma. Press the round bracket and press the enter. Child is the property which take a widget. Type a hello world text in the inverted comma. Press the comma and press the enter. Now we have to give the style of the text. Type the style. Type the text style. Remove the comma and press the round bracket, press the enter. Type the font style. Again type the font style. Dot. I select the italic and press the comma. Now give the size, font size. I give the 20.0. Give the comma. Now type the color. Again type the colors. Dot. I select the black. This color is the text color. Now code is done. Error is show it here. Press the semicolon. Now our code is ready. Run the project. Select the run main.dat. You can see the project hello world. If you want to remove this debug banner, then type the code upper the material app close bracket. Type the code here. Type the debug show checked mode banner and type the false. The comma here. Give the comment here. Error is gone. Again run the project. Now you can see debug banner is invisible. If you want to increasing the size of hello world text, you can changing here. I give the 50.0 and again run the project. You can see text size is changed. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning.